Hey, it's Sam Sour Smilk Smith, and we're looking for the greatest shitholes, pissholes, and dank pits here in America. Today on the program, we got Greasy Pete's Smoky Apple BBQ Burger. And we're going to be shown how to make the Smoky Apple barbecue sauce for this burger here. It's made by a person who was probably illegally trafficked in the country because he's chained to the kitchen. But what you want to do is you want to add 1 cup of ketchup, a half a cup of apple butter, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon of mustard powder. Whisk everything together and simmer this motherfucker for 10 minutes, and then place in the fridge for a couple of minutes, at least 30 minutes, for the flavors to combine. Then they place meat of questionable origin, form it into a patty that comes out to about a nice 80-20 mix, form it into quarter-pound patties, and then place their favorite steak seasoning atop it. Or you can use whatever burger seasoning you like, can make, or steal. Okay, and after 4 to 5 minutes aside, puts a nice slice of pepper jack cheese on top of that motherfucker. And then you just want to grab a lid of some sort, little water. You want to create that steam to melt that cheese. All right, let's go look how this poor bastard immigrant puts this son of a bitch together. All right, you take 2 pieces of toast because Greasy Pete don't like no fucking fancy buns. You take some iceberg lettuce you stole from a farmer's market. Grab some pickles, because even Pete knows burgers need pickles. Then we take some of that Smoky Apple barbecue sauce we made. Spread that on the top. Finish off with some pepper bacon. And that's it. The Smoky Apple Burger. Done. I'm Sam Sour Milk Smith, and this has been Shitholes, Pissholes, and Dank Pits.